cloud project management versus on-premise project software. Which one is better for global teams? Most project managers get this wrong by thinking that traditional on-premise software can handle modern, distributed teams effectively. The surprising truth is that cloud project management and on-premise project software differ greatly in accessibility, collaboration, and scalability, key factors for global teams. Cloud project management tools like Asana, Monday.com, or Jira Cloud are hosted online and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. They allow teams across different time zones to collaborate in real time, update tasks, and share documents instantly. For example, a multinational software company can coordinate development sprints between teams in the US, Europe, and Asia without worrying about version control or server access. Cloud solutions also offer automatic updates, integration with communication tools, and mobile access, making them highly flexible for distributed teams. On-premise project software, such as Microsoft Project Server or Primavera Pay, is installed locally on company servers. These systems provide high levels of customization and control over data security, but often requiring access for remote employees, making collaboration slower and less seamless. For instance, a global construction firm using on-premise software might face delays when coordinating with overseas offices due to network restrictions or manual data synchronization. The key difference is accessibility versus control. Cloud project management prioritizes collaboration, scalability, and ease of use, while on-premise solutions focus on customization and internal security. Many organizations adopt a hybrid approach, keeping sensitive data on-premise while leveraging cloud tools for team collaboration. The takeaway is simple: for global teams needing real-time collaboration, cloud project management is the better choice. For organizations requiring strict data control or compliance, on-premise software may be necessary. The surprising truth is that cloud solutions empower teams to work efficiently across borders, turning geographic challenges into opportunities for productivity and innovation.